What's the meaning of cupboard? Cupboard. Cupboard.
Cupboard. Cupboard. A cupboard is a piece of furniture used for storing items, typically in a kitchen or bedroom. It usually has shelves or drawers behind doors that can be opened and closed. The term cupboard can refer to a small storage cabinet on legs or a larger built-in storage area in a wall. Cupboards can be made from a variety of materials, such as wood, metal, or plastic. They are used to keep things organized and out of sight, making them a useful addition to any living space.